everyone! Welcome back to my vlog and welcome back to LanguageSitter. I want to introduce you to some of the incredible people who make the magic happen.
Hi, I'm Mart. I'm the co-founder and managing director of LanguageSitter and sometimes the office psychiatrist.
Hi, I'm Diana, a co-founder of LanguageSitter, where I work as head of studies and development.
My name is Spila and I work as coordinator of studies here at LanguageSitter.
My name is Anna and I'm the key account manager at LanguageSitter.
Today, Diana showed me LanguageSitter's online management system. It's quite impressive how well thought out it is and how much room there is for personalization for individual clients. Anna walked me through how she processes inquiries and organizes deals and sales campaigns. The most exciting part of the day has been getting the air conditioner fixed. Now it only feels like a sauna in the sauna. What's next at LanguageSitter? Stay tuned for my next video to find out. Adio!
No, not me, just her.